Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to remove the grimace shake on the TikTok. So right now it's very trending on the TikTok. So if you want to enjoy this trend, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to took a screenshot of your video in which you have the grimace shake. Once you will do it, you have to go back, just took a screenshot and open your browser, and after that you have to search for the object remover from the picture, and the multiple websites will be appear here. So right now I am click on this website, and now scroll up. Here you can see start from the photo, click on it, and now you have to upload that picture you want to remove. And now you have to select this shake by brushing on it, and as you can see it's processing now. Once the processing will be complete, this shake will be removed from this picture, as you can see. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.